landscape of JavaScript, considering array methods is like unlocking a set of powerful tools. Each method has its specialty, and Reduce is no exception. While it may seem daunting at first, understanding Reduce can greatly enhance your ability to manipulate arrays in JavaScript. Imagine you have a shopping cart filled with various items, each with its own name and price. Now, when it comes time to check out, you need to calculate the total cost of all the items. Traditionally, you might initialize a variable to keep track of the total, and then use a for loop to iterate over each item in the cart, and its price to the total. If we log this total, we see it works, but it can be a bit cumbersome. This is where Reduce comes in handy. It allows you to perform a cumulative operation on all the elements in the array, resulting in a single value. So instead of manually looping through the array, you can use Reduce to elegantly compute the total cost. Reduce takes two arguments, a callback function and an initial value. The callback function is applied to each element in the array, with the accumulator parameter accumulating the result and the current value parameter representing each individual item. Think of the accumulator as a total variable we initialized while using the for loop, current value as the item. The reducer function will return the accumulator plus the current value's price. Since parameters can be named whatever we want, we can rename accumulator to running total and the current value to item. This just makes things more clear. Finally, the initial value of 0 ensures that the total starts at 0. If this parameter isn't defined, the total will start at the first value of the array. Logging this, we see its value is the same as using the loop. This still might be a bit tricky to grasp, so let's zoom in on each step. On the first iteration, the accumulator starts at 0. When the callback function processes the first item's price, it adds it to the accumulator, which now holds the total of the first item. As the reduce function progresses, each subsequent item's price gets added to the accumulator, which continuously grows, reflecting the cumulative total of all processed items. When the function completes, the accumulator holds the grand total of all prices combined. This final value is what's returned by the reduce function. I hope this video shed some light on the JavaScript reduce function. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding.